Oh, I don't think it looks like a pencil.
Oh, it is a
Go get your
pencil.
stocking. We'll go open your stocking.
At least it's a good pencil.
Yeah, cool.
There
For all your crafty art supplies, huh?
Just have a little bit, okay? After breakfast.
Look, I got the
Yes.
same.
There you go.
Look, I got what I always wanted.
What is it?
Here you go.
Oh, cool. You're getting all these things you always wanted. Wow. You must have been a really good girl this year.
Yep, I get the most things than Oliver.
Look at him. He's done already.
Wow.
It's the child satisfied with the chocolate coin.
Look,
Yeah.
books for Ben and Holly.
Yes.
I always wanted those as well.
Wow.
And that's for eggs, I think. That's where you put your poached egg. You know, Daddy makes you eggs and soldiers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where you put your egg. Your own little egg holder. Okay, we'll open it up just a sec.
So we can open it. Oh. Wait. It brought me on. It's an olden
He
time.
does that. He's always done that orange. He used
She
to do that when I
said
was a
just
little
like
boy.
olden times.
Yeah, when I was a little boy, I used to get an orange.
Wow, that's a great stocking there.
Cookie likes us to be healthy.